What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shooting Stars Family. Okay, today I'm gonna be trying to make a spaghetti bake. Basically spaghetti, but it's gonna be thrown in the oven like lasagna. So we'll see how this turns out. Alright, y'all, so I got the ground beef going. Let that cook up, and next I am going to start working on the sausages I'm gonna throw in there. Alright, so we got the ground beef going, and then we have the beef sausages. I just sliced them up and put them in a pan. Yeah, so we're gonna let these two cook up before I do anything else. Alright, I'm gonna throw some peppers and onions in here. A little onion, a little pepper. Alright. Let that cook in there for a little bit. Alright, I just put the noodles on. Don't wait for them to boil. This is still simmering, and these are still cooking. Let these get a little brown. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna pour some sauce in here. Let this marinate a little bit. Mix all that up and let it simmer for a while. Alright, so sausages are in simmering now. Noodles are still cooking. Yeah, so we're just waiting for that. And mix it all up and throw it in the oven. Alright, guys, that's what it's looking like. Got the sausages, peppers, onions, all that. And then I also made some garlic bread over here. Garlic bread, spaghetti bake.